Hello and welcome to this quick 5-minute workshop for this mini maze fidget. It's a very easy project and you need a few small items to create it within 5 minutes. It's very addictive to play with and it's very soothing and calming. So, you just need a few things and I will show you. Of course, our circular knitting machine. We need any kind of circular knitting machine with 22 needles, a key ring. You can also crochet, but I will demonstrate that. You need a marble or a button, and you need a pair of scissors and optional I don't know how you call that thing. And of course your yarn. I'm going to cast on and knit 17 rows. 17 rows. I will speed up the video because that's of course a little bit boring. So I'm not knitting as fast as you will see. So I cast it on, knitted 17 rounds, about 17 rounds. It's not exact science. And now I'm going to cast off. I will speed that up also because we all know how to do that. And now I'm finished and I'm closing directly the casting off side. I just pull my yarn and make sure that the stitches are neat arranged, and I make a half knot around my yarn needle, pull through my working yarn and stick it to the inside, to the opposite side. Then I'm going to close the other side with the working yarn sticking to the outside. Don't forget to put in your marble or your big button. And then be sure that the working yarn is outside and close that side also the same way. Make sure you do not stick through your working yarn because we need that. I will close that also with a half knot around my needle. Then my yarn is directly secured. And now I'm just simply going to knot those two tails together. I make a few knots, firm knots. And then I take the two pieces of yarn, put it into my yarn needle. And stick them through the middle between the two layers to the outside on the edge of your flat round. You can use the yarn now to crochet a loop, but I'm going to use a key ring, so I cut the threads. And now I'm going to take my key ring. It's always a bit painful to open them, but I use this tool, I don't know what it's called in English, to open it. Of course on video it's always a little struggle. And then I stick it through the stitches on the edge of my circle And voila, c'est fini. It's finished. Your little marble maze fidgets made with your circular knitting machine in 5 minutes. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.